Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will type codes in Python which will let us know the current weather conditions of a place. So I'm using Visual Studio Code as my IDE and I have made a weather.py file. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the modules you need. First of all, you need the pyowm module. Pyowm, and next you can install it by simply typing pip install pyowm. And next let's get started by importing our pyowm, and we are making a variable API key which is equal to this is my API key. You have to put your own API key. You can get your API key by just signing up at the openweatherapi.org website, and under my API keys tab you will get to see your own API key. You have to just copy it and paste it here. Okay, now I am making another variable ohm equals to pyowm dot owm, and here we have to pass API key. Next we are making another variable place owm dot weather at place. I'm putting London here. You can put your city's name. Next I'm making another variable to get the weather. W equals to place dot get weather. Next, at first we need to print the temperature, which is equal to W dot get temperature. Now let's print temperature. And let's run a code. Let's check out if there are any errors. You can see here the temperature is printed and we only want the temperature, so we use these brackets and just type temp with inverted commas here. Now let's check it. You can see this is in Kelvin unit, so we write a K here. K stands for Kelvin, and you can see K. Okay, now we want wind speed. Wind speed equals to W dot get wind speed. Okay, you have to put it in inverted commas. Now let's check it. You have to print it. Print wind speed. You can see 6.17. This unit is generally in meter per second, so let it be. And next we want a simple weather status, weather description. Let's type here status equals to W dot get status. Now you have to print it. Print status. This is generally a brief status. Let's write here brief status colons. Okay, colons, and I put it here comma. Now let's check it. Brief status snow. And if you want a detailed status, you can make another variable detailed status equals to W dot get detailed status. detailed underscore status. We are done, and we need to print it. Print detailed status. You can write here detailed status too. Here you put a comma, and here you can write detailed. Okay, let's check it out. And here you see our detailed status, which is no. Let's take the place city name from the user. City name equals to input. Enter city name, and here you have to write city name. Okay, enter city name. I'm writing here Delhi. Let's check it out. Okay, unable to find. Okay, let us write London here. You can see the status no, and you have to write there Delhi with a comma. Achha, let's run it again. Delhi, comma, India. Now you can get it. Here you see 287.15K, 2.57 meter per second. Brief status missed. Detailed status missed.